10 mistakes you should avoid as a crypto trader. If you are looking to begin your crypto trading journey, this video is for you. And also, if you've been trading over the years, this video is also for you. My name is Emmanuel Jacob. So on this video, we want to discuss the 10 possible mistakes you should avoid as a crypto trader. But subsequently, we may likely treat more than 10 mistakes because we have a whole lot of mistakes crypto traders do make in their crypto trading journey. All right, so if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button right now, and make sure you turn on post notification by clicking on the bell icon, so you'll be the very first person to be notified when next I post subsequent videos. So the very first thing we want to treat on this particular series is using the wrong wallet. So in crypto, what do we mean by wallet? Wallet is synonymous to a bank account where crypto users use to store, send and receive coins and tokens. So considering our traditional banking system, we use account number to send and receive funds. Then in crypto, we use wallet address to send and receive funds. So in crypto, wallet address is synonymous to a bank account number, and it is always an alphanumeric string consisting of capital and small letters in numbers, and it is not something you can possibly memorize. So do we even have what we term wrong and the right wallet? Absolutely no. But if you are looking to store your crypto for maybe a long term, then you've got to consider using a decentralized wallet where you can store or back up your private keys. There's this crypto adage that says, if you don't own the private keys, then it is not your funds. So I'm saying this to say that if you are looking to store your funds for a long term, then you need to avoid using centralized platforms like Binance, OKX, KuCoin, and all that. In case you may ask, why am I discrediting centralized platforms in long-term hold? Reason being, centralized platform can easily be hacked. They can hack it, and once they hack any platform, all these exchanges, once it is being hacked, if they are not able to to pay their users, then your funds is gone for life. But if you are using decentralized wallets like blockchain, like Trust wallets, like Exodus, like Ledger, we have a whole lot of them, then you are going to be able to store or back up your private keys and your 12 words recovery phrase. So with this, someone can only have access to your funds only if they can have access to your private keys or 12 words recovery phrase. But once you have it stored or back up in a safe place, then your funds are extremely safe. So let me share one of the mistakes a whole lot of crypto newbies like doing when they are in pursuit for airdrops. There are a whole lot of scammers out there that will require for your private keys or your 12-word recovery phrase. Please be very, very careful. Make sure you don't give out your 12-word recovery phrase and your private keys. They are very, very delicate and you should not joke with it. Another wallet I want to recommend is hardware wallet. An hardware wallet, just as the name implies, is actually a device, which means it is substantial. Okay, let's go into the types of hardware wallets we have out there. So basically, I think we have a whole lot of hardware wallets, but I want to mention just 3. We have Ledger, we have Trezor, and we have KeepKey. Hold on, I want to remind you of something really, really important. But wait, did you subscribe to my channel? You haven't? Don't be a bad friend now. Click on the subscribe button now. Yeah, thank you very much. All right, one more important thing. Do you know, if you click on the bell icon, that you'll be the very first person to be notified when next I drop subsequent videos on this particular subject? Yeah, click on it now. Yes, wait, give me a thumbs up. All right, good friend. All right, thank you very much. Okay, let's proceed. So I want to add this. There's this adage that says, don't put all your eggs in one basket. In other words, make sure you don't put all your crypto assets, you don't put in all your funds on one certain cryptocurrency exchange. Make sure you split them, make sure you diversify, so that if an exchange has a downtime, you'll be able to continue trading on alternative platforms. All right, so there are a ton of mistakes you need to avoid as a crypto trader, and we've just been able to treat just one of it. And on our subsequent videos, we are going to be looking into it one after the other. So in order not to miss out on the subsequent videos about the mistakes you should be avoiding as a crypto trader, you need to click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, click on the bell icon right now in order to be the very first person to be notified once I drop subsequent videos on this particular subject. Alright, I'll see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.